Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate exactly how to sign up for a YouTube Premium subscription. The process is very straightforward. To start, click on your profile icon located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Purchases and Memberships. This will direct you to an offers page where you need to click on the Learn More link. As you can see, YouTube Premium offers an ad-free experience. Go ahead and click the Try 1 month for $0 button. You have a few choices here. The individual plan starts with a free trial and then costs $8 per month. The family plan is $15.99, and the student option is $4.99, though it requires annual verification. Select the plan that fits your needs. I will choose individual, and then click Try 1 month. You will then be prompted to choose a payment method, such as a PaySafe card or a credit/debit card. Click on the option to add a credit or debit card to continue. On this screen, simply input your card number, expiration date, security code, and the cardholder's name. You also need to enter your billing details, including your street address, postal code, and city, before saving the card. It really is that simple. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.